Hello friends. I've just been reflecting that we seem to spend a lot of time trying to find a peaceful place, somewhere quiet. We get very disturbed when we hear people talking or making noise because we feel so soothed by the energies of nature. So keep going for your nature walks and allow it to be absorbed into your being completely, as if you are being drenched in the energies of Mother Nature. She wants to heal you, soothe you, as if she's wrapping her arms around all the wounds in you and encouraging you to gently let them go. She wants to say, all is okay. Past is past. Present is here now, and you can direct your future. You can choose something different. Ke tēnā kore ne kumakaka, tatare ne kumakaka, te tere ne kutotore ne kumakaka, she na kotore ne kumakaka, tata, 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 tata. Grounding to the earth, really connecting to the earth, means that you can handle the challenges of life. Because if there's one thing life does, it's throw you challenges. Because that's how you grow and learn. Otherwise, you would stagnate. So it's not about running away from the challenges, avoiding them, saying, why me, why this challenge? You have a challenge. The only thing you need to do is meet the challenge from a calm, peaceful state. If you're in stress, fear, abandonment, worry, become calm first. Walk in nature. Bring presence to every moment and every step.